We are Prison City Garage, a full-service auto repair shop, mobile or in shop. Give us a call. We specialize in everything from engine work and diagnostics to brakes, maintenance, and mechanic repairs. Overheating, squeaky brakes, or leaks, we got you covered.